Hello, I have been looking for cordless leaf blower that lightweight, powerful and easy to use. Until now I have been using a gas power leaf blower, but it's heavy and you have to keep gasoline on hand, and starting it isn't always very convenient. I found this cordless leaf blower on Amazon, so today we're going to see if it's a better option. First, I will unbox it and show you everything that comes in the box. Then we'll take it outside and test it in my yard. Stay until the end because I will show you exactly how it performs when I use it. Inside the box you get the cordless leaf blower, the two 20-volt rechargeable batteries, a fast charger, the blower tube, and the extension nozzle, and the user manual. One of the reasons I wanted to try this blower is because I have always used a gas power one. I will show you that one in a minute so you can see the difference. My old blower works well, but it's much heavier. You have to keep gasoline ready and it takes more effort to use. I wanted something lighter and much more convenient. I also have a pretty big yard, so I was really happy to see that this blower comes with two batteries. That's a huge plus for me. If one battery runs out, I can simply swap it with the second one and keep working without stopping my job to wait for recharge. Both batteries together can provide up to 60 minutes of runtime on a low speed setting, which should be plenty for most yard work. Putting it together is very easy. Just attach the blower tube, insert the battery, and it's ready to go in about a minute. The tool has two speeds. Speed 1, it's a lighter speed and you can use it for, let's say, if you want to do a dust or if you want to clean the garage. And speed 2, it's for heavy job if you want to blow the leaves. I'll show you now. That's a speed number 1 and that's speed 2. Right now it's summer. I don't have a lot of leaves in the yard. I can see a few leaves here by the fence. I will turn on the leaf blower on speed 2 and I'll show you how it performs. If you're looking for an easier way to clean leaves, grass, patio, sidewalks or your driveway, I think this tool is a great option.